Hello YouTube, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a basic third-person game in Blender. So let's get started. I'm going to assume that you already know the basics of Blender, so I won't explain how I did most of the things. I'll just show you how to do them. So okay, you have your cube, so now you have to add the mesh plane. Size it. Some people don't know how, so you press S to size. Something about that size. Select the cube by right-clicking it. Then you can pan around. Now you want to click this little lodge thing, or press F4 when you have it. Set it to dynamic and actor. Now you have to create a sensor by clicking Add, Keyboard, W. Just click Add for controller, and now click Actuator. You're going to keep everything the same except in LOC, go over to the center thing and type in 0.1. And then just click that little tab and drag it to there, and click this little tab and drag to there and let go. And then it'll connect to lines. So now you can press play, and as you can see, he moves forward. And then he'll fall off the map eventually. The ground does not have a texture, so that's the reason you can't see it. But I'm going to go over adding textures in a different tutorial. So, okay, now we basically do the same thing. Now we want to choose S. Add. Now, negative 0.1 for lock, because it'll go backwards. Now don't think, oh, I'll just drag this line to there, because that won't work. So, okay. Now, you can move forward, backwards. It's very simple. Now we have to add the rotations to changing how, like, where he's facing. So let's choose A, and this, and now we go right under LOC, there's a ROT, R-O-T. Go to the last one, type in 0.1. I gotta pause the video. Sorry about that. Yes, change the ROT, the ROT, the one completely to the right to 0.1. Now you can minimize all those. Oh, and remember to connect them. And now, as you can see, he rotates. But you're probably thinking, oh, do I have to add code to make him follow? But no, you just press W and it does it for you. So now we just do the complete opposite for the D key. Negative 0.1. And there we go. Now we have a completely working third-person player. I will show you how to add textures to him to like make him look like he's a smiley face or whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. So okay, now that we have those controls over, you're probably thinking, well, will I have to watch another tutorial to teach you how to jump? No, I'm going to show you how to make him jump right now. So okay, add a keyboard sensor. The key, let's make it space. And for these, you can change it. And to add key, you just click that and click space, or whatever key you're using. Add, and then add another one. Now we're going to have to drag this up higher by just, you'll get that, and you'll have to drag it up. So on force, the last one, we'll have to put 250. I think. Yes. Yes, that's how it'll work. Now let's just make this go down more. Okay, now let's play it. He doesn't come down. I knew that would happen too. To change that, to make him actually go up a certain height, then once he gets to that height, he falls down. To add another sensor, go to touch. This MA you really don't have to do anything to. Then just click here and drag it to the controller you used for your jump. And that's it. You don't have to add anything else. So as you can see, he jumps. there is a glitch to where it's not a glitch, but it's like a double jump type thing. Like you jump once, if you hold space, he does a jump twice as high, then he'll do a jump 3 times as high and all of that, and then I'll just go back to 1. It's not a glitch. I think it was actually added in purposely. But now, okay. Now we have this thing right here. You're probably wondering if you know how to rotate around, which you hold the Alt key, or Alt key as I call it, and click, you can rotate around. You'll see this thing right here. Right click it. It's the camera. But we don't have camera enabled yet. To enable the camera, you have to press the number pad 0, or you could just go to View and Camera, like that. And now, as you can see, it plays it. But it's kind of stupid, like, you lose track of the camera really fast. Now, I'm going to show you how to add stuff to the camera. You can always go back into Camera View, and just gotta zoom out a little bit here. That's a little too far. About there. Right click it. Always. Just keep all of that the same except for this. Add camera. OBJ cube. Connect it. And now play. Now, oh, why is it not working? The camera's not following the player. Well, this is why. I have to go into View, Camera. But now, whoa, where'd my player go? See, this thing, there's, in the actuator, there's min, max, and height. Set the minimum to, like, 10. Or, you know what, no, like 7. Maximum, 10. Height, 7. If you want the camera to have an equal distance and not zoom out if it needs to, you could just set that to 10, but I'm going to keep it to 7. So now see, it rotates around the character. Now it's hard to see that he's even moving because the ground isn't textured. But I will show you how to add ground effects and make a little map in my next tutorial, so thank you for watching.